Mahapatra from Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment.
Keyboard District ke West Janta Hills Rengkat bak Office District Social Welfare East Janta Hills Cleariat hak artarik ujeliu ki leplay ke benta baar ke Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyaana jangka Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment Government of India ke bedai ke projek nak benta ban rat dingkong ye jingdi pinbuat kamtam udrox ubalak ta shabab pelat ye unong di ye ke ying kesem bat ke imlang sa lang berok kawai. Ia kejing yang play pai pa la pelong halat rembai dongwa community hall balawan ban play ka do menteri ketenak social welfare ke sarkar jela ukar menshilla rengkat kejing don lang DC ke East Janta Hills district wa Bilash Baranwal ka ar pasa district social welfare officer East Janta Hills ki kena school ki kenhun ne kiseng beper ke tuber bikers and tour association kinong elam shnong bat kiwei. Additional SP East Janta Hills ubi jerwa habakren ula khot ke jinge trilang ki pai pa khnang ban la ban rat dingkong namartang ki pulit kimla ban nei e. Ula kinturu ki pai ba nong shang shnong bikin long ki bapikir bhai ki brio barung ba mi ah poshnong ki bawan ra jing bam jing di bat haba yu ikum kini di ban ajing tip wood shiki pulit da ka ba phone how number iwe ar hakanu kanu kapor. Ulo ongru babon ki kena bangop drugs kidai ki bahap pedeng karta khatsan hadu arpau. Bat kitu hi ki brio ki bajet du drugs kamut bekila jet ke jingyap ha ka jingim bakentup nadu ke pule puthi bat kanu ka thong balamang ha ka jingim.
Yang bercakap, tang batang mangi ki polis ngimla re menyekun ye kani. Tang mangi marwai ngimla. Bale bagi kena school kita namni mentah resmi, bale ba kirang bar kita lang, kirang kemir kita lang. Namar mangi habis suatu, batang nak jengnya trailang. Only if we work together, we can fight against this menace. You cannot expect just one arm of the government, tang ki polisi bakin tray, kiwai pada kin chuam all adat kam maki labya. Kamlong berkumta. Mafi ki kena school, mafi ki bedang pule, mafi fide ke lawai, mafi fide ke future jumi. Kat sabar fidon, fokus baik ya kajing krekot jong fi fokus baik ya career jong fi nya chakman haba fi yo i ha kisnong ki thau jong fi kino ki brio ki bawan naba kino no ki brio ki ba fi mi tho ki brio ki ba fi yo i ki ba shwan kai ki bawan ra ki no ki jingbang ki jingdi ki bamlong pentip ik police, and that goes to everyone, whether you are fide ki nang pasnong ne fide ki long keme ne mangi polis ni kwa ba finyarap biangiro akajinge kani kajinge trailang apa fiyo ihi kino ki batmai ki breu ki bawan snong ki bawan sa tmai ki ba fi mitho inform ki police ka toll free number jongi ka 112 ka batrekam by 24/7 kano ko por fi call ka 112 we will be always be there when accept a call, and always from the police station somebody will come and respond more. So this message again we want to say, we want to convey, if we want a drug-free society. Ni kwa ba hakani ka khamtam ka East Janta Hills bangiyo I ba bon ikna, especially ki hapdeng kini ki kisnem ki ba hapdeng ka khatsan ba alko snem ki bon ha ki bang hab ka drugs. Tekade ka kamram jongi ki ba he ban ensure ba ki khna hi ki numngap hakani ka jingpang. Kimde ban ngap hakani namar Sisi ni filang ngap kapa hapan wan thai. Nagi sispa ngot ki bangap, maybe tang san rumut ki balaban wan thai. Takaraw, if you're choosing drugs, you're choosing death. If you're choosing drugs, fi jet ya ka jingyap, ya ka career jong fi, ka jingyap, ya ka education jong fi, ka jingyap, ya ka no ka job opportunity that you have in the future. What jet ya ka drugs? Okay, say no to drugs, say yes to life. We want East Janta Hills to be a model district for the entire state as well as for the entire country. If ever you need any help, the police is.
You have only heard. You're not curious about it. Be curious about these things in life. They'll basically lead you to something. Being curious about wrong things in life is the sure way to destroy one's life. Finally, peer pressure, in which people shame you into taking things. And that is very common, very common. But I'll ask you one simple question. You all have seen in roads how some of the car drivers, or let's say how some of the bikers will drive very rashly. Have you seen that? Right. So when they are driving like that, I mean, apart from the times when there might be an actual emergency, most of the times they are doing it to just show it to others that yes, I can do it. Like that in their mind somehow they are feeling that people are watching them and people are thinking, wow, what a driver he is or she is. Right? But is it true? The people who are watching them drive, they think, what a stupid fellow he is. Right? So always keep this in mind. See, if you are destroying your life by any means, people will always laugh at you. So there is no such peer pressure. So if at all there is any peer pressure that, okay, you should take drugs, then you should feel happy that you have the courage to stand up. Right? So this is my simple message to you that drugs is not the solution to anything. And drugs is one vice which not only affects you, it affects the entire family. So if somebody starts consuming drugs, they will obviously not be able to work. For the simple reason that they will not be, they'll be incapacitated, and generally their mode of whatever they are earning will not be sufficient to, they'll not be able to afford their drugs. So what will happen? They'll start stealing. I believe that our additional speaker can attest to the fact that most of the children, etc., who consume drugs ultimately start stealing from their own family. Think about your family. The fact that they have to undergo that trauma of seeing their own child falling to drugs.